For advanced simulation, when a simple strength test with a force or a weight isn't enough, you can turn to Simulation Premium Dynamics for added accuracy and capabilities. The quickest way to become an expert in setting up and using these advanced tools is in the 2-day hands-on Simulation Dynamics training class. Here's what you learn. We'll cover all the different types of dynamic studies you can do with Simulation Premium. We start with the basics, which includes when and why you'd use a dynamic study. We then expand upon the foundational skills and make sure you know how to leverage all the tools available to solve dynamic studies, including how dynamic loads affect the structure. We'll cover transient shock and random vibration analysis according to mill standards. You'll learn how to do harmonic and vibration analysis and even response spectrum analysis. In this intensive, hands-on 2-day training, you'll become an expert in accurately setting up and running dynamic studies so you can most effectively use Simulation Premium to make the best design decisions. Sign up today to get started.